Assalamu alaikum. You're welcome back to this channel. Nice to see you again. If you're just joining us for the first time, you're highly welcome. Stay with us here. It's going to be a memorable and beautiful one. So today, guys, we're going to be doing something healthy and delicious today, inshallah, as usual, and it's going to be super quick. No time to waste. I know you're already guessing in your mind. Maybe you might be right, but let me just let the cat out of the bag. Today I'm going to be making fruit salad, and as you can see right here, I have some of the fruits. Yeah, fruit salad is basically the combination of two or more fruits to form a salad, just like our vegetable salad. So you have the cabbage, the carrot, the spinach, and the cucumber, lettuce, and a whole lot of vegetables combined and mixed with some other condiments to your taste, with or without addition of sweeteners. For some people, they love to add some sweeteners. I don't do that. I love my fruit salad as natural and as sugar free as possible, because most of the fruits are already sweet, so I see no reason why I should go ahead adding artificial sweeteners. So here we have some watermelon already sliced. You can slice it smaller than this, you can also make it bigger than this, but just make it to the sizes that are going to be consumable for you or the kids or whoever you're going to be offering it to. Or if you're also going to be making this of business purpose, I make fruit salads for sale. So just try to be moderate in the size and chunks of the fruits you shall be using, how you're going to cut them. Then next up, we have some dates here. Then as you can see here, we have some banana. You can see the brownish coloration is due to oxidization. So if you are using fruits like banana or apple, just like you have it with your potatoes too. So one way of preventing this is adding some acidic juice, like either vinegar or lemon juice. You just sprinkle, just adding a little of this acidic juice to them. It will prevent the oxidization. Then you have sweet orange here, already diced too in wedges. You cut it to the sizes that you want. You can use so many fruits. You can add in cucumber to this, you can add in pineapple, you can add in whatever it is that you desire or you feel your customers will love or your children will love. It's all up to you. Then next up, we have some milk powder here. You can use liquid milk, evaporated liquid milk. You can also use this milk powder. Then I have some coconut here, guys. You know I love coconut, so I have some coconut here to add to the crunchiness. I have some dates here as well, so just to make it more sweet. You can leave it out. You can also add in roasted peanuts, granite, but I'm leaving that out for today. Next, straight up now, we are going to be combining the fruits now into this side of my bowl. Yeah, so this fruit salad here in the north, especially in the universities, is a staple during the Ramadan season. You get to see this plenty during the Ramadan season, and that's when I mostly sell mine too. So if you're doing this for business, please, I urge you to try to get the acidic liquid, because it's going to prevent this brownish coloration. And you know, presentation is something that will appeal, has a long way to do with how your products will be accepted in the market. Some people might not know that this is due to oxidation. They might be thinking maybe you used a bad fruit for them. So if you are using it just for your house or your home personal consumption, you might not worry about that. But if you are going to take it out for sale, ensure that everything is well organized. So guys, I'm going to add in my chipped coconut now. Just going to add to the crunchiness. Then next up, my milk. You can also use condensed milk for this. You can use condensed milk for this. Then now that I'm done adding everything, I'll just go in and mix it up so that every side smells nice. The star of this salad is the watermelon. You can see it's small in number, so you can decide to make it banana, you can decide to make it whatever fruits you are using. The choice is yours. It's your fruit salad, so go ahead and do it just the way you want to. Then for your dates, you can also decide to use chopped date for this. You can leave it whole. Once you know the date is good and the inside, you can also decide to open it up before use. But the dates I have here, they are good because they've got no hole in them. So as you can see here, there is no hole here. Once you see a hole or an opening here, you have to double check that such date. But for the ones I have here, there is no hole, no opening, so I'm pretty sure it's okay inside. So I'm done mixing. I'll say this one didn't cut well. So I'll go ahead now and serve into my bowl. One tip, fam: once you're cutting when you're cutting your fruits yourself, ensure that you cut them over a strainer. This will help to reduce the amount of liquid you get in your fruit salad. This is most especially if you are going to sell them, because you don't want to serve fruit salad with so much juice inside it. So just put a strainer over a bowl, then you slice in your fruits, and if there is any liquid, it will collect on the bowl under the strainer, and that way you would have less amount of liquid in your fruit salad, and it's more beautiful and more presentable that way. But if you are doing it for personal consumption, it doesn't really matter. You can see this liquid. So I'm going to go ahead now and add in my date. You can use fresh dates. I remember as at last year in the Ramadan, the dates I used mostly were fresh dates, the red fresh dates or the yellow fresh dates. Always saying buying them, you can see the date is free of any date. So here you have it, guys. Our simple, delicious and nutritious fruit salad is ready. You can keep this in the fridge to chill for a while before serving, or you can take it straight away. And again, this is important for those who are doing it for business. Please, the fruits don't keep for long. The fruit salad don't keep for long, so you have to be very careful how much you're going to be doing. If you should do it basically based on order, so that you don't face a loss. And it's good to keep it cold. If you don't have a freezer, you can get ice block from those people that do sell ice block, so that you can chill it up and ensure it's cool and it wouldn't go to spoil easily, especially during the during the hot periods. So thank you guys, thanks for your time. If you love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends. And if you are new to the channel or yet to subscribe, we'd love to see you subscribe. Do hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Once videos are up on this channel every single week. So thank you guys and see you soon. I leave you in the care of Allah. Assalamu alaikum. Let me have a taste and report how it feels here. Bismillah. This is so delicious, and the coconut in there gave it another level. I must tell you, so delicious. Ensure you try this out and let me know how it felt, how you feel at your end. For me here, this is so delicious.